A little bit overshot, so it's coming to us. How are you? All is well? Big up. Wait, we get all hug. You see that? Have your package for you. Excited? Oh, see, you kind of weighty too. Come quick? Alright, cool. Make sure you refer your friends and family. Here, oh, they hear it though. First time being inside this area. Good? Pretty cool? Yeah? Is that one locks that you grow? Well, no. One strong locks. I don't know if you call it Madrid or a Raspa or a single head. I don't know. Anyway. Yeah, man. Much respect. Alright, really appreciate it as well. Thanks for patronizing us and refer some people now. Alright, shoes the bad though. Shoes the bad. Yeah, alright, big up yourself. Alright, there you have it. Him shoes bad. Him shoes bad. I wonder when buy the shoes there. When buy the shoes there? The shoes that bad. On the delivery trail. Have a good one. Hey, what's going on? I know you've been watching our videos all day, every day, because you enjoy the videos. But why haven't you signed up yet? You need to sign up for a free shipping account today. And also sign up for a platinum membership. This allows you to get 4 free coupons every year. Come on, sign up, check up our webpage. Check it out. At the bottom of each of our webpage, you'll see a promotion link. You can see all the promotions we have running every day. Sign up.